Hello everyone, welcome back to Nandini Talks. In the previous video, we learned about the introduction to Python. In this video, let's learn how to install Python on a Windows computer. Open your web browser and visit the official Python website www.python.org. Click on Downloads and download the latest stable version of Python. Open the downloaded installer. Before clicking install now, make sure to check the add Python to path option. This is an important step. Then click install now and wait until the installation is complete. After installation, open command prompt and type python dash dash version. If the version number is displayed, Python has been installed successfully. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Python. In the next video, we will learn about Python data types. Until then, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Nandini Talks for more educational information.